Today, we demonstrate baby gate installation. We do a baby gate with banister to banister installation that does not require drilling into your woodwork. We have Summer Banister and Stair baby gate with dual installation kit. This is a somewhat versatile banister to banister baby gate that includes option for banister to banister installation, single banister installation at the top or the bottom of the stairs, as well as installation in doorways with other openings. In this video, I show you how to install the Summer baby gate on a stairway banister posts that are round or square shaped. This baby gate is 30 inches tall and fits opening from 32 inches to 48 inches wide. This is 80 to 120 centimeters. I also really like the appearance of it. It is somewhat stylish. The price changes all the time, so I put a link below to the Summer Banister and Stair baby gate for you to check the current pricing. If you buy this through the link with no additional cost to you, we get a very small referral commission. This helps us create more content like this. Thank you. These are the items in the box. Let's start the assembly. I installed the base on a square banister post on the bottom side and the round shaped banister post on the top side, so you can see the both types. Let's start with the square on the bottom side. For a square banister, use these square adhesive brackets to attach the supports. Peel the backing from the adhesive. Align them with the floor. Press it to stick it to the banister. Now I do a round shaped banister on the top side. For this, we use these smaller brackets. Use them like this. Secure the brackets to the banister using the ratcheting straps like this on both top and bottom sides. Do not over-tighten the straps. Now let's attach the support for the other side. Make sure that this side is up. Someone installed this upside down and he has to redo this whole thing. Anyway, don't do my mistake. Connect the bottom side. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, please give us a thumbs up. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm. In this channel, we cover baby related items like this video. For more like this, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you, and let's continue. Grab the gate and these two bolts. This one is for the top and the other is for the bottom. Make sure you do it right. Screw the top and bottom hinge bolts clockwise into the gate panel. Attach the support foot to the bottom of the gate at this hole as you see. Install the gate with the hinge bolts like this. The door should be fully open to fit properly. You can reverse this to take the gate off. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you next time.